Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Imagine a moment so profound it transforms everything you've ever known. Imagine a truth you've quietly sensed but never fully grasped, revealed in an instant of eternal clarity. What if the life you are living now is only the prologue to your real story? Today, inshallah, we'll be discussing the final mindset for this month, which is the mindset of eternity, derived from the verse of the Quran Kareem. يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية. O tranquil soul, return to your Lord, well pleased with Him and pleasing to Him. So I would ask you, inshallah, to close your eyes and allow yourself to go on a journey with the words. Take a deep breath and imagine your eyes softly close upon this fleeting world, only to gently reopen upon the reality your heart has always quietly longed for. Suddenly you find yourself standing in an endless ocean of gentle, radiant light. The familiar noise, distractions, and demands of daily life gently dissolve into silence. You stand alone, yet you've never felt more complete, more deeply at peace, more authentically yourself. In this calmness, a beautiful clarity unfolds within you. This world was never your permanent home. It was merely a bridge guiding you gently towards your true destination, meeting your Creator. Then, in that profound silence, you hear it, the voice you've always loved yet never heard, tenderly resonating deep within your heart. يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية. Instantly your heart recognizes this voice. Every hardship, every moment of patience, every hidden sacrifice now feels beautifully worthwhile, dissolving effortlessly into gratitude and joy. This is the invitation you've awaited your entire life, to lovingly return home to Allah. Your life was a journey filled with countless steps that felt crucial: education, career, family, and ambitions. Yet as you stand here embraced by radiant peace, you understand that every road gracefully led to the single magnificent moment, standing before Allah. Now the wisdom of your Creator gently reminds your heart of what truly mattered all along. بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى. Yet you prefer this worldly life while the hereafter is far better and everlasting. The world fades gently away, revealing your true eternal treasures. The hidden prayers whispered in darkness, the quiet charity known only to Allah, the patience held in moments unseen by the world. These were your treasures all along, lovingly preserved by your Lord, waiting patiently for you in eternity. Within this peaceful moment, imagine the soul Allah lovingly describes, not perfect, but beautifully human, not flawless, yet happily returning to Him. A heart serene in hardship, quiet in acceptance, and profoundly intimate with Allah. Allah describes this tranquil soul, your soul, with loving clarity. وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ وَنَهَى النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى فَإِنَّ الْجَنَّةَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. As for the one who feared standing before their Lord and restrained themselves from harmful desires, Jannah is their eternal home. And the Prophet ﷺ gently reassures us, مَنْ أَحَبَّ لِقَاءَ اللَّهِ أَحَبَّ اللَّهُ لِقَاءَهُ. Whoever loves to meet Allah, Allah loves to meet them. Mentioned in Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. A beautiful shift gently awakens inside you. A new longing, pure and deep. Clearly, beautifully you realize Allah Himself eagerly awaits meeting you. Jannah is beyond description, yet even its splendor isn't your heart's deepest desire. A greater joy awaits beyond rivers and gardens and comforts or delights. Allah gently promises, وُجُوهُ يَوْمَئِذٍ نَاظِرَةٌ إِلَىٰ رَبِّهَا نَاظِرَةٌ. On that day, faces will be radiant, gazing upon their Lord. Imagine that breathtaking instant when the veil gently lifts, revealing the divine beauty your heart quietly yearned for your entire life. Your heart trembles joyfully as you gaze upon Allah Himself. Hear Him lovingly say directly to you, "My beloved servant, welcome home. I am pleased with you." The Prophet ﷺ captured this moment beautifully. When the people of Jannah enter, Allah will ask them, "Do you desire something more?" They reply, "What more could we wish for?" Then He lifts His veil, and gazing upon their Lord becomes their greatest joy. Narrated in Sahih Muslim. Thus, eternal joy surpasses every imaginable pleasure. Beloved soul, eternity is not a distant tomorrow. It is here, unfolding with each breath, each intention, each choice you make. You are not merely living, you are crafting the story you'll one day lovingly read before Allah. This world is fleeting, but eternity embraces forever. This world separates, but eternity reunites. This world offers glimpses of peace, but eternity is peace itself. Forget yesterday, it has gently passed. Release tomorrow, it rests in Allah's care. Today, choose purposefully, beautifully, to love eternally. Allah lovingly promises, وَالْعَاقِبَةُ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ, and the ultimate outcome is for the righteous. This isn't just a mindset, it is the truth already unfolding. With every quiet sacrifice, every hidden act of sincerity, every longing glance towards the heavens, you are shaping your eternity. And when the veil finally lifts, when time itself gently surrenders, you won't awaken to something unfamiliar. You'll awaken to the beautiful reality that every choice you make today is softly echoing into eternity. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us amongst the people of the Akhirah. A dua to conclude, inshallah.